Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with admin rights. This is required to clear system caches. Once elevated, close web browsers so they do not retain session DNS. Now open the terminal or command prompt on Windows, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. On Mac OS, use sudo in terminal. The first actionable step is to run the flush command for your OS. This removes local resolver entries immediately and prevents accidental use of stale addresses during testing. You now run the platform command sequence to actually clear the DNS cache. On Windows, type ipconfig/flushdins and press Enter. This forces the resolver to drop entries. For Mac OS, use sudo dscacheutil flushcache, then sudo killall hupm DNS responder to reach all caching layers. If you run Linux, flush systemd resolve caches, or restart nscd or dnsmask depending on your setup. Make sure to watch for error output and confirm commands complete without permission issues. You finish by verifying that DNS lookups return fresh answers. Use ping, enslookup, or dig to compare results. If stale entries remain, restart the network service or reboot the machine to clear lingering caches. Also check the router or ISP, since they can cache responses. Switch to a public DNS temporarily to rule that out. If problems continue, note error messages and retry the exact flush commands. Often permission or background service issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.